Hello guys, it's Yuri and I'm back from the dead. Dahil weekend na, Diyos ko po, at alam kong pagod na tayong lahat sa work, sa school. But don't worry dahil meron akong skincare tutorial to revive our dead, tired, and dull skin. So if you want to know my night skincare routine, just keep on watching. Kakauwi ko lang from work kaya alam kong sobrang dumi na ng face ko right now. So what I want to do is to clean my face. Here I am using a regular facial astringent from Eskinol, the one with lemon para mas madali mag-fade yung mga dark spots and blemishes. I am gently rubbing the cotton pad against my facial skin, and I'm actually pretty surprised na hindi ganun kadumi yung face ko right now. Usually kasi sobrang marumi yan guys. Pagkatapos niyan, maliligo lang muna ako dahil feeling lagkit tayo ngayon. At kasabay niyan, I'll double cleanse my face with this Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam from Innisfree. And I'm back. Thank you for waiting. After shower, magmamadali tayo guys na maglagay ng facial toner. Sabi kasi ng mga Korean guys, dapat daw 10 seconds after shower, maka-apply ka agad ng toner. Currently, ang ginagamit ko ay itong Glutamilk Whitening Facial Toner from Eskinol. Mind you guys, na lahat ng products na ginamit ko sa video na ito ay hindi sponsored ha. These are products na tinatry ko ngayon personally. Next step is to apply facial cream. What I'm using right now is the Garnier Light Complete. Hinahaluan ko ito ng AHA Serum to boost the effect. Nagawan ko na rin ng review ang product nito guys, at kung gusto niyo mapanood ang review ng AHA Serum na ito, I will put a link in the description box down below. Susunod, this is probably my most favorite step. I love wearing sheet mask, and current favorite ko itong mga sheet masks from Cathy Doll that are available at Watson's. Wear it as a mask, just make sure na walang bubbles. Tapos yung mga excess, you may want to apply it sa hands, sa arms, or sa neck. Then we'll just leave it on for 20 minutes, just enough time para ma-absorb ng skin natin yung content ng product. Remember lang guys na may estimated time lang ang paglagay ng face mask. Some people kasi tend to leave it on until it dries, or minsan pinapa-overnight pa nila sa face nila, which is absolutely wrong. 20 minutes later. Tanggalin natin yung sheet mask guys, and just massage your face para mas ma-absorb yung skin yung essence. You may also gently tap your face like this for blood circulation. I love doing this kasi sobrang nakaka-relax siyang gawin. We'll just apply moisturizer on top of everything. I am using Myra Vitamin E Moisturizer. Again, this is not sponsored. For my lips, I love applying Vaseline Petroleum Jelly just because it makes my lips easier to exfoliate the next day, and my lips literally feels and looks more plump and soft. And since my eyes look very tired, I did DIY eye patches to soothe my tired eyes. So that's my nightly skincare routine guys. If you have questions, just leave a comment down below or drop a DM on my Instagram at the Yuri Choi. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos on skincare and more. Good night, Yuricorns. Mwah.